There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world. Hello? Sorry. Sorry na mamaos ako. People die if you care enough for the living. Make a better place. Ito na ang sinasabi ko. Laban lang, alam ang boses ko. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong. Namaos na ako, hindi ko na kaya. Sige. Sorry guys. Mukhang hindi ko na kaya. Parang hanggang 11:30 lang ako talaga. Feels it always. Love's enough for it's growing. So make a better world. To make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place. For you and for me and the end time and grace. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. Thank you guys. Naku, ito na siya. Namamaos na tayo. Mom Christina, thank you guys. Pero mukhang kailangan ko na muna magpahinga. Once again, thank you. Medyo ano na siya. So, let's pop your goal. Alam, Mom Christina. Nakakahiya po. Thank you po. Hala, si Mom Christina. Hala. Mom. Hala. Oh no. Sorry, wala ko pwede sumigaw. Mamamaos tayo. Mom Christina. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Mom! Hala, tapos. Okay na po. Mom Christina, thank you so much. Rank 6 na, guys. Grabe. Mom Christina, thank you po. Mom Christina, thank you. Hindi na po ako makasigaw. Maraming salamat po. Mom, salamat. Thank you. Okay na po ako. And, since babalik naman ako mamayang gabi, can I just pray real quick for everyone? Papahinga na ako, ha? Kasi sumasabit na yung boses ko. Once again, Mom Christina, thank you so much. Grabe, ang dami po nun. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. And to everyone who watched me tonight, sa lahat ng mga nagtsaga, to everyone who tapped my screen, sa lahat ng mga nag-share, nag-subscribe, kila Ma'am Christina, sa lahat ng mga nag-share ng blessings, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for always supporting me, guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. It was a really wonderful morning live. It was a blessed morning for me. Ma'am Joanna, salamat po. Thank you sa mga pahabol po. Maraming salamat. Okay. I would just like to pray real quick. Yes, I'm gonna try the ginger lemon tea. Ate Pao. Okay.